Hey everyone, and welcome to Procedural Material Mastery. This video is just a quick introduction to this course to help you get started. So first of all, if you don't know anything about shader nodes or procedural materials, or anything to do with texturing, I highly recommend you watch our Texturing Fundamentals course first, as everything we'll be learning and practicing will be building off of that knowledge we learned in that course. So how is this going to work? Well, each video will be step by step taking you through how I created these quality procedural materials in an organized way, which I found is the easiest way to create procedural materials without feeling constantly confused by your own work. We will be doing a lot of PBR procedural materials. PBR just means physically based rendering, which pretty much means we're using multiple parameters to create the most realistic result we can. We will also be learning how to condense our shader nodes into just one node so we can make adjustments easily. And it also makes it a little more easy for potential customers if you're planning on selling this or giving it away on the internet. Also, feel free to share your progress or ask any questions you have in the community. Also, if you're struggling, please remember that we're covering some pretty difficult to understand concepts here. And also, don't be afraid to repeat a lesson if you found it particularly challenging. Alright, awesome. We can go ahead and move on to the first lesson, where we will be learning the basics of my procedural material creation workflow and some organization tips. Let's get started with that one. I'll see you in the first module. Take care.